Hey everyone, welcome back. So today again we are going to solve another Leetcode problem statement, that is gas station. It's of medium category, problem number 134. So there are n gas stations along a circular route where the amount of gas at the ith station is gas of I. You have a car with an unlimited gas tank and its cost of gas to travel from one station to another station, that is also given. So you begin the journey with an empty tank at one of the gas stations. We have given the two array. The first one is gas and the cost itself, and we have to return the starting gas station's index if you travel around the circuit once in a clockwise direction. Otherwise, we have to return -1. So it's really very difficult to understand this problem statement in the statements. So what we will do, we will understand this problem with a diagram. So let me quickly jump to the board and we'll see what approach we have to take. In order to solve this problem statement, the first thing what we have to do is we need the sum of all the gas elements. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That will be 15. Similarly, you need the sum of all the cost. So it will be 3, 4, 5, 1, and 2. Again, it will be 15. If in any case the gas is less than cost, it means you will not able to travel throughout the circular route. So in that case, you just have to return -1. Okay. Apart from that, let's consider this scenario. The first thing what we have is the gas itself. So let me quickly mention the gas, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. At the same time, let me put the index. It starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. In order to travel from station 1 to station 2, it needs 3 unit of gas. The other one needs 4 unit of gas. This one needs 5 unit of gas, and then 1 and 2. Let's say you are at index 0. Okay. From here, you decided to start your journey. The moment you start your journey, that time the tank is empty. So if you are here, what you will do, you just have to fill the tank. You have only 1 unit of gas available. So what you will do, you will have 1 unit of gas in your tank. In order to travel from this point to another gas station, you need 3 unit of gas. So what will happen? It's not enough to travel. So this is not a valid starting point. Now coming to the another point, that is gas station 2. Here again the tank is empty and you have 2 units of gas, so you can take it. In order to travel from gas station 2 to 3, you need total 4 unit of gas. So what will happen? Again you have 2 minus 4, that is -2. This is coming less than 0. It means again the gas is not enough to reach another gas station. So this is also not a valid starting point. Now you are coming at this point. So whenever you are seeing any invalid starting point, right? So what you have to do, you just have to reset your starting point again. Now starting from here, you have 3 unit of gas. You can have it in your tank, but in order to travel to next gas station, you need 5 unit of gas. So again, it's a negative amount. So this is also not a valid starting point. So we'll come at this index. Here we'll see we have 4 unit of gas, and in order to travel to the next gas station, we need only 1 unit of gas. In that case, we are left with 3 unit of gas. It means this is a valid starting point. The moment you will reach here, you are left with the 3 unit of gas and 5 unit of gas is available here. So total you will have 8 unit of gas. In order to travel from gas station 5 to 1, you need 2 unit of gas. So the moment you will reach here, you are left with 6 unit of gas, and again here you have only 1 unit of gas, so you can add it. So it will be 6 plus 1, that will be 7. In order to reach the next gas station, you need 3 unit of gas. So it will be 7 minus 3. So the moment you will reach here, you will have 4 unit of gas left. And here you have already 2 unit of gas. So you can sum it together and you will have total 6 unit of gas. Again, in order to reach to the next gas station, you need only 4 unit of gas and you have 6. So again, you are left with 2 unit of gas. And here the gas station is having 3 unit of gas. So total you will have 5 unit of gas. Now again from the gas station 3 to 4, if you will travel, you need 5 unit of gas, and that 5 unit of gas is already available in your tank. So you can reach here with and you will be left with 0 unit of gas. So again, we have covered all gas station in a circular clockwise direction. Same thing, whatever we have discussed, we are going to write a code. It's a very simple, straightforward. So let me quickly jump to the Leetcode compiler and we'll see how to write a code. Okay, so as discussed, the first thing which we have to do is we have to sum up total gas as well as total cost. So for that, I'm just creating one variable called total gas. It will initialize with 0. Similarly, we will have total cost, and this is also I'm going to initialize with 0 only. Apart from that, we have to return the start index, right? So for this, I'm just creating one variable called start, initializing it with 0. Another thing we need is tank. Again, this is also 0. This tank is nothing but our total sum, gas minus cost. So the next step is we'll just start a iteration from 0. It will go up to the length of gas, and every time it will keep on incrementing. In order to calculate the total gas, what we have to do, simply we just have to use gas of I. In order to calculate the total cost, we have to do same step with cost of I. Till here we have total cost as well as total gas. Now in order to calculate the tank, so what we have to do, gas minus cost. So for that we'll do gas of I minus cost of I. Okay. In the very next step, as we discussed, we have to check if the value of tank is less than 0, then we just have to reset the value of start and it will go the next step, I plus 1, and tank again we are putting it as 0, because whenever we have to start, the tank should be empty. We will have empty tank and we have to take a gas from the next station itself. Okay, this is done. In the next step, we have to return this value. We have discussed there, like if the total gas, if total gas minus total cost, if it is less than 0, that time we just have to return minus 1, or else we'll return the start, whatever we have. So let me execute this code and we'll see whether it's working properly or not. Okay, so in this case, both the test cases passed successfully. So let me submit this solution. Okay, so all the 40 test cases passed successfully, and this is the approach we have to follow in order to solve the problem statement related to gas station. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day.